Welcome to What's New for Simulation in SOLIDWORKS 2025. There are a lot of new features, and today we'll talk about a few of the most impactful for simulation. First, SOLIDWORKS has added the ability to easily and quickly exclude parts from an assembly in your analysis. This allows you to only mesh and solve the parts that are necessary. This can save a lot of time, especially on large assemblies. Next, adding virtual pins have been upgraded to allow distributed connection types, so the load is more accurately transferred from one part to another, increasing the overall accuracy of the analysis. If you use springs, then this next one is right up your alley. Now you can define a new orthotropic spring type with unique stiffness values in all orthogonal directions, plus torsional and bending stiffnesses as well. As you know, we must mesh the study in order to get results. In 2025, parts mesh up to 15% faster when using the blended curvature-based mesher. Finally, we'll switch to simulating injection molding for plastics. In order to make sure your parts turn out exactly as expected, you can analyze the warpage displacement by viewing the unbalanced cooling, orientation, and non-shrinkage events. As for sink events, a new and more accurate solver is used to ensure your injection molded parts turn out just how you modeled them.